Looking for landscaping ideas for a stunning front yard? Imagine the joy of stepping outside to a breathtaking view right at your doorstep. We're here to offer practical, easy-to-follow steps for such a transformation. Stay tuned to transform your front yard into a stunning piece of art. Begin with a plan, for every spectacular creation starts with a blueprint. Think about your soil type, the area's sunlight exposure, and your personal preferences in plants and design. Take your time, get it right. Remember, a well-thought-out plan leads to a well-executed design. Next, choose the right plants that complement your home and environment. Consider your climate, soil type, and how much care you can provide. A mix of perennial and annual plants ensures year-round beauty. With the right plants, your front yard will be a delight to the eyes all year round. Now, let's add some drama with a focal point. A focal point in landscaping is that eye-catching feature that pulls it all together. Imagine a water feature, a striking sculpture, or even a vibrant plant. A captivating focal point can add that wow factor to your front yard. Finally, maintain your landscape to keep it looking fresh and beautiful. Regular watering, pruning, and fertilizing are key. Don't forget seasonal care. It's vital to adapt to the changing needs of your plants. With regular care and maintenance, your front yard will remain stunning and inviting. Transforming your front yard is as simple as that. Plan effectively, choose the right plants, create a focal point, and maintain it well. A stunning front yard increases home value and offers personal enjoyment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more landscaping tips and tricks. Happy gardening!